The fact that there hasn't yet been an Alien television program is astounding. It's very clear. When the franchise grew, it crossed over with other franchises and became more and more familiar and ridiculous, but it never really delved into its own premise. The terrifying corporatized future that was portrayed in the margins of the original creature feature was always ready for an exploration that went beyond the confines of a single monster on a single ship. In Alien, Earth, which aired on FX and is available on Hulu, Noah Hawley, who is well known for his roles in Fargo and Legion, delivers what is unmistakably the cramped horror thriller you were anticipating, along with a critique of the corporatocracy that you may not have been prepared for. The creepy part is the Peter Pan nonsense. One of the businesses in this distant future is Prodigy, which is run by the young gazillionaire and absurdly named Boy Cavalier. Prodigy has created a program called The Lost Boys that allows children who are dying of cancer to have their consciousnesses transferred into the artificial bodies of superpowered androids. In this highly immoral experimental hellscape, where Peter Pan is shown streaming on the ceiling of a mad research lab, possibly via Disney Plus, Wendy serves as our point-of-view character. This suggests that we are probably not as far from this future as we would like to believe. There is little question that Wendy will play a significant role, but because Episode 1 of Alien, Earth is mostly set up for later, she doesn't get much to do. The USCSS Maginot, a Weyland-Yutani deep space research vessel that of course crashes on Earth after a xenomorph exhausts the crew, is a crucial part of that arrangement. This is clever since the cold open of the premiere presents the ship's crew as if this is the main plot of the show, much as in a normal Alien movie, particularly the original Ridley Scott film. This is significant to Wendy because her brother, not the brother of the pixie-like avatar she is currently piloting, but the brother of her cancer-stricken original incarnation, the brother of her consciousness, becomes involved in search and rescue operations after the Maginot crashes in Thailand. When the sister reveals herself as a superhuman adult robot woman, she will have some explaining to do because her brother, Joe, understandably thinks she is dead. One step at a time, though. In any case, Wendy persuades Boy to allow her and the other lost boys, all children in artificially grown-up shells, to join the rescue effort under the guidance of Boy's pet robot. As you may have noticed, there isn't much plot in Neverland, which lasts for an hour, but plot doesn't seem to be the main focus of Alien, Earth. I find it hard to put into words how engrossing all of this is, and it's evident that the premiere is gradually putting everything in place for its later scenes, which return to the now demolished interior of the Maginot with the added backdrop of a Xeno on the loose, Morrow on a mission, the Lost Boys arriving, and the security forces in grave danger. It is masterfully helmed with the nostalgic fervor of someone who grew up watching the original film, but it also exudes the lightheartedness of a fresh contemporary retelling.